it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do paintings on clothes. So if I talk about my story or a little bit history about me, then I was very good at paintings in my high school. I'm not a pro at paintings, but yeah, if you give me color, I manage everything. Apart from this, in today's video we are going to do paintings on my denim outfits. So I have three types of outfits on which I'm going to do paintings. First one is the denim jacket, which is of a dark wash, and I'm going to do rainbow type of designs so that it pop up on the back side of this jacket. The next one is the denim shorts. This short is made from the jeans. I cut it down and made a shorts out of it. For this shorts, I thought to keep it very simple, very elegant, but I want some 90s vibes on it. Therefore, I'm thinking to do colored pockets on it which can pop up its look. And the third one is the jeans. These jeans have the lightest wash. So basically this is the lightest washed denim in my cupboard. So I haven't thought much about the jeans, but jo hoga dekha jayega. Let's get into the video. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get into the video. Okay, so for this, all you need is your outfits, some acrylic colors, some more acrylic colors, brushes, paper tape and pencil. Starting with the jacket, flip it backward and start drawing the rainbow with the pencil. For this, you can use the scale and make arcs of equal length. After this, just take your colors and arrange it according to the rainbow colors and start painting. But before painting, make sure you have applied the masking tape on the edges so that at the end you get a clean result. Next is for the shorts, and for this also we are going to use masking tape on the edges. Now you can just take your favorite colors and apply it on the loops and the pockets. Next up is for the jeans, and for this I need a hell lot of masking tapes because I am thinking to do mosaic design on my jeans. Yes, it would take a lot of time to do masking, but trust me, the end result would be the best.
A few moments later.
Let it dry for 24 hours and then you can just take off the masking tapes from all of your outfits, and guys, this is the most satisfying thing. So here's the final before and after outfits, and I think they came up to be the best upgraded colorful version of themselves, and I love them. The one which I love the most is the jeans because I never thought that jeans would look so damn cool, and I love it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Also, do not forget to check out the links below in the description box, and we'll see you guys in the next videos. Till then.